Welcome back to Promote Style, your ultimate destination for the latest in fashion and sneaker culture. Today, we have something really special for you. The unboxing and review of the Balenciaga Triple Black sneakers. If you're a sneakerhead or just love high-end fashion, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. Let's dive right into the unboxing. As you can see, Balenciaga spares no expense with their packaging. The triple black sneakers come in this minimalist yet luxurious box, which perfectly matches the sleek design of the shoes themselves. And here they are, the Balenciaga triple black sneakers in all their glory. These shoes are a masterpiece of contemporary design, combining streetwear aesthetics with high-fashion sophistication. What stands out immediately is the all-black colorway. It's subtle, yet bold, making a statement without saying a word. The materials used are top-notch, from the breathable mesh upper to the sturdy rubber sole. The triple-stacked sole adds height and a futuristic edge to the classic silhouette. When it comes to styling, the triple black is incredibly versatile. Whether you're pairing them with casual jeans or even a more dressed-up look, these sneakers elevate your outfit effortlessly. The comfort level is exceptional too, making them perfect for everyday wear. These Balenciaga triple black sneakers aren't just about looks. They're a symbol of quality and innovation in the sneaker world. If you're interested in grabbing a pair, check out the link in the description box. And while you're at it, visit the Balenciaga website for more information and their latest collections. The website is super user-friendly and offers a seamless shopping experience. Thanks for tuning in to Promote Style. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exclusive unboxings and reviews. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below on what you think about the Balenciaga Triple Black, and if you have any suggestions for future reviews, let us know. See you in the next video. See you in